Hi guys, and welcome to yet another one of my software installation videos. Today we're going to be working with Wamp Server. We're going to be downloading and installing Wamp Server on the machine. Now Wamp Server is a Windows server package that allows you to install and host web applications that use like Apache and PHP and MySQL. So we start with the download and we bring up the search engine and we type in Wamp Server. Go to www.wampserver.com/en, and en here stands for English. Alright, so go to download, and here you see there are two installation files here. We have the 32-bit and also the 64-bit download files. Now obviously you need to know which version your computer runs. So here you can go to settings and go to your PC information and check to see what is your system type. Present I'm running a 64-bit operating system, so that means that I'll be downloading the Wamp Server 64-bit and PHP 5.5 2.5. Just click, and when you see this warning page come up here, you just go to download directly. Your download will start automatically. So we run the installation file from this one. Alright, so we have the Wamp Server 2 setup wizard. Now this is the actual setup page that that pops up here, right? And you just continue to read. Basically, this will install Wamp Server 2.5 on your computer, right? So recommend that you close all other applications before continuing. Click next. License agreement comes up, so you need to accept the agreement. Obviously, what I would advise is for you to actually go through and read some of the information here, so you know exactly what it is you are agreeing to. Alright, and then click next. This just indicates where it actually is going to be stored. It's going to be stored on the C drive as WAMP. Now you can create a desktop icon, which I normally would want to do this, so it comes up on the desktop, easier for me to access, and click next. Now this is the actual installation page here. What it does is you have an opportunity here now to go through and check to make sure all the information that you have inputted before is correct and to your liking. You can either go back and change it if you want to do so, or you click install. Right, so I'm happy with all the destination location. I'm happy with that. It's going to create a desktop icon, so install. So now it's almost completed extracting all the files, so pretty soon we're going to go to actually set up your default browser. Now Wamp Server defaults automatically to Internet Explorer. If Internet Explorer isn't your default, probably it's Chrome or Firefox, you can actually choose that here. So I'm going to use Internet Explorer as my default browser. It pops up here indicating that the Windows Firewall has blocked some features of the app. Okay, so let's allow the access. So on this window here we have they're going to ask you for your PHP mail parameters. Now if it is you have a SMTP server or like a mail server, you can actually put in the name here and your email address. But if not, if you don't have one of those, just click next. Okay, so we have completed the Wamp Server wizard, setup wizard. So this is going to launch automatically after we click finish. So we click finish now. So you get to the Wamp Server admin menu by going down to the system tree. Once Wamp Server is actually running, you would see the icon here. If not, go into your hidden So when you click the icon, you will see your Wamp Server admin appear here. So what we're going to do now is test to make sure that it was installed successfully. So you click localhost, and here we go. You see your Wamp Server homepage coming up. Now the Wamp Server homepage will show you the currently installed versions of Apache, PHP, and MySQL. And it also will have a couple of links to valuable tools. Alright, so you click PHP info, and this will take you to a page shows you all the details of your PHP installation, all the PHP versions you're running, and the location here of the loaded configuration file. Alright, so take a note of this because you may need to make changes. You go to phpMyAdmin. Now phpMyAdmin is the web-based application you could use to manage your MySQL databases. If it opens up, as it is here, then you'll successfully be running Apache, PHP, and MySQL. Now you can test your database information by using a file that is delivered by a Wamp Server installation. Right, so I'll show how it is done. So to test this, we're going to minimize this folder here. Go to C drive, and we go to Wamp, and we go to this www. So this is your document root folder. This is where you place all your PHP web files. Right. So you test this one, check this one. This one comes automatically. Alright, so open this up with Notepad. Alright, so what we're going to do is just change up these here a bit. Take this out here and put localhost. And then change this to root. And leave this one as an open string. Alright, so we're going to save this. Alright, so we're going to go back to the browser here now. Okay, so test to see the change was made. We go open the browser and type http://localhost/test_my_mysql.php and click enter. Alright, so once it comes up here, connection OK, it indicates that you have successfully installed Wamp Server and everything is working fine. So thanks very much for viewing this video. I hope you come back soon, and I'll see you when we have something else. Goodbye.